Bindu, which letter you have?
S for sun.
Very good. Bhargav, you?
T for tiger.
Very good. Harika, which letter you?
P for parrot.
Very good. Viharaj, which letter you have?
Y for yak.
Panchakshari, which letter you have? D for?
D for dog.
Very good. Mohit, you?
F for fish.
Very good. Yuvan, which letter you have?
N for net.
Very good. Which letter? E for?
E for elephant.
Very good. Litvik, you say which letter you have?
K for kite.
Rahitya, which letter you have?
O for orange.
Very good. Gaurav, which letter you have?
Ball.
Very good. Rakshit, you which letter?
Lion.
Very good. Raghu, which letter?
Rabbit.
Say again.
R for rabbit.
Very good. Kushal, you which letter you have?
J for jet. J for jet.
Vaishnavi, you which letter you have?
For queen.
Very good.
M for monkey.
Very good. Danyata, which letter you have? C for cat. Which letter? Jivika.
V for van.
Very good. Skanda, which letter you have?
Get for horse.
Good. Naina, which letter?
G for goat.
Very good.